everybody. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Today we're unboxing the Puppy Playtime. I'm Chapter 2 Mystery Figures. And if you are a kid, you can also get these 6+. So as long as you're 6 years old. Well, let's get into this video. Now all you kids, now today we're gonna unbox them, which just comes with free figures. This comes with Ultra Rare Huggy Wuggy, Ultra Rare Mommy Long Legs, and Wacka Wuggy. And I feel like this is, he looks like Cameraman from Skibbity Toilet, but it's actually Boogie Bot. Let's unbox. Here we go, guys. Now let's get this out. And the other cool thing is that it also has a background inside. Look, it's from Puppy Playtime Chapter 1. You could all your figures and act like you're playing the actual game. Now the first character we have is Ultra Rare Huggy Wuggy. He's so shiny. He is really cool. I feel like I like him a lot. He's chasing you. I'm Huggy Wuggy. Next we have Ultra Rare Mommy Long Legs, which I don't know why, but this is actually a character from Chapter 2, which is rare. I wish this was Green Huggy, because then it would be a character from Chapter 3. But right now, it is Yellow Huggy. Look at this cool Huggy. He's really cool. I feel like I might even like him even better than Ultra Rare Huggy. But it's not a contest. But next we have one of a cool figure, Boogie Bot. He's a really cool character, and he looks like Cameraman from Skibbity, although he's supposed to look like this. But he's still really cool, and I really like these figures, but this isn't the only thing I have to show you. Because there's also some other stuff. Was that you? Oh no, that was my piggy. I got this piggy. Oh no. No, ew, it stinks. And I also got ice cream for you. You want it? Take it. Come on, I'm not waiting for you. Alright, you don't want the ice cream. I guess there's more for me. I can't believe you won't want ice cream. Anyways. Next. Guys, we got a Huggy Wuggy Ninja Turtle. At least that's what I think it is. But anyways, if I open this up, look at how cute he is. Hi guys, I'm Donatello. Yeah, I'm Donatello. Well, that's all the toys I for you today. See you in the next episode. Bye.